I'm on my club water. I'm going to fish a competition. I've got my marker here. Number 15. We'll see if that is good luck or bad luck. Water levels are pretty low, so I'm just walking downstream just now a good bit, and then I've got 6 hours. I've got 6 hours to make it back up to my starting point for my weigh-in. Let's see if we can catch any fish. I don't have my GoPro with me, so I'll try and film what I can on my phone. It's quite nice, a bit chill in the air, but other than that, yeah, quite nice. So let's hope I can get a few trout or grayling, make a bit of a competition it and see what happens at 6 o'clock. You watch the livestock, especially when they've got their young with them. Look at the size, it's tiny. I don't know if you can see it behind the bushes there. Certainly looking at me. I've not seen the water levels this low in the river for a long time. Usually these are all covered in about 1.5 feet of water. There seems to be a lot of little swallows flying about, taking insects off the surface. But I've not seen one fish rise. I think maybe it's still a wee bit cold. It is a wee bit of air temperature, not much of a wind, but the air temperature is a bit cold. So I'm gonna give this wee pool a go and a few pools further up, and like I said, see if I can pick anything up to add to my points total. There's mummy cow and baby cow again. Oh, there's another one feeding underneath it, which is black and you can't see it. Don't want to get too close to them. Right, story is, I've been fishing a couple of hours and I've had 2 monster grayling. One at 47 centimetres and the other one at 36 centimetres. Both on the wee nymph that I got 6 brownies out of the same pool on a different river last week. I'll show you the nymph. There we go, size 16 it is. It's been doing the business for me all over winter. That's what I got the nice big out of season brownie on as well. So the first grayling that I got today, which was 47 centimetres, I couldn't even get one hand round it when I was trying to get it out of the net. It's that big, and by far my personal best on any river. But I've got 2 hours left of the competition, so that's, what's that, 47 and 36, that's 83 centimetres with 2 fish. So there's another 4 people fishing the competition, so I wouldn't mind picking up another 1 or 2 and hopefully that would secure it. Anyway, I'm going to give up here a wee go and see if I can pick anything up to add to my points.